We're back. We are reading again, friends, about our swimming pools and our water parks. But today, instead of comparing our details, we are going to contrast our details. That means we've already done this before, friends, so this is nothing but a refresher. But contrasting details are two details that are different. So we're going to go through each of these passages like we did yesterday, and we looked at things that were the same, and we put them in the middle of our Venn diagram. Now we are going to find things that are different and list them on the outside. So everything we see on the outside under our swimming pools list will only appear in the swimming pool side. Our water parks are different, and we're going to think about the different details. So the details that we feel are only applied to swimming pools are going to be over here, and then the details that are different from a swimming pool that only belong to a water park are going to be over here. Nice, quick, simple, and to the point, friends. After we do this, our exit ticket is going to be very similar to the one yesterday, but we're just going to think about how two passages have different key details. Let's start with swimming pools. Swimming pools are a great way to have fun in the warm months. It's important to be responsible when you go near swimming pools because they can be dangerous if you are not ready. It is important to learn how to swim before you go into the deep end of the pool. And it is deeper than 5 feet, and most children cannot stand. So if you're in first grade, you probably can't stand in the deep end of the pool because you're not that tall. The water is going to be over your head. If you are safe and learn to swim before going into the deep end, it can be really fun to jump off the diving board and swim around in the deep pool water with your friends. Now let's go to the water parks. Have you ever been to a water park? Water parks are tons of fun when it's summer, when it's really hot outside, and the water feels fresh and cold. Even though water parks are fun, they can also be dangerous. It's important to know how to swim before you go on slides that land in deep water. Deep water can be dangerous if you cannot swim because it's possible you could drown. If you take lessons before going off on a slide in the deep end, it can be really fun to slide forwards and backwards down the slide with your friends. So let's think about details that are different. Details that are different. All right. So I know that I didn't hear anything about slides on swimming pools. So I'm going to write, there are no slides on swimming pools. Just a diving board, friends. Just a diving board. Just a diving board. Now, my contrasting detail from the pools is that they do have slides. My water parks do have slides, okay? So we are going to add that to our list here. Oh no. Slides are all over the water park. Those are two different details from both passages. Now, they have diving boards only. So let's think of another key detail from each passage that are different. This one is pretty good. I know that there's deeper than 5 feet places in the water park. This swimming pool only goes 5 feet. So these swimming pools are smaller than most water parks. So I'm gonna write pools are smaller than water parks. And for my contrasting detail about water parks, I'm going to say water parks are bigger than pools and have more deep waters, have deeper waters. So those are two very, very important things that separate a swimming pool from a water park. At a swimming pool, there are no slides, just diving boards, and it's a little bit smaller than a park. And at water parks, slides are all over the place, and a water park is usually bigger than just a swimming pool. All right, friends? So we're almost done with the week. We have to add a few more lessons on. Stay with us. Continue to be sharp. We love you. We miss you. Secret password is orange. Bye, friends.